Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a full fridge clean. I'm just putting my groceries away now, and that's basically when I realized that it was in need of an organization and a clean out, and I had a bunch of stuff I needed to throw out. So after we put the groceries away, I'm just going to be bringing the garbage pail over and we're going to be emptying it out. And here's a clear shot of how nothing fits in there. Everything's just kind of tossed in there. I clearly need to get rid of some things and tidy up. So I'm just going to clear off the counter. All that stuff needs to go into the pantry, and I'm going to get the crock pot meal that was sitting in the fridge going, because I made that the night before and we ended up ordering pizza. And now I'm just going to go through the fridge and throw out everything that needs to be thrown out. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you need to clean out your fridge, let's clean it out together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
So I really hope you enjoyed cleaning out my fridge with me today, and and if you need to get that done, I hope you get it done soon. I know mine was a little bit in need of a little wipe down and just kind of reorganizing it, because I did a big organize with me with my fridge. So if you're interested in any of the organization tools that I've used in my refrigerator, I will link the video describing everything that I bought from the Dollar Tree in that below. And I really hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.